This video is a little tutorial on how to use Google Translator as a tool to write Chinese characters and also to write pinyin with its characteristic tones. So first of all, we are using Google Translator. You can easily enter this tool. And the first thing I have to do is just configure the language, okay? We are going to choose here Chinese. And once I choose Chinese, I have some new parts in this window that appear. For example, this bar with these tools. Here we have the character for pin. This is for pinyin, okay? And also here we have these parts with these options. We're going to choose the first one, Chinese simplified, and pinyin. This is very important because this is the way we are entering the characters here in the window. And then we have everything ready just to write Chinese. For example, if I want to say ni hao, I want to write it. So I choose this one. As you can see here, we have many options, just one. Why? Well, I'm going to try with this character, hao. Okay, how this pronunciation, this pinyin without tones, has many different characters with different tones, with different meanings. Okay, this is how Chinese works. So the important thing here is that we choose the right character, because that way we also are choosing the right tone. Okay, so this is important. We little by little need to get used to Chinese characters and Chinese tones. So for example, just to make us easier to do this, if I write a whole expression as ni hao, if you can see Google Translator, it's giving me the first option, which is hello, ni hao, hello. For example, if I write a whole sentence, 你叫什么名字? I also have the right characters at once. So this is a very interesting tool, just to write characters and also the pinyin. Now, once I have written this expression, I can copy it and then I can paste it in any other document, okay? And the same for the pinyin. I can select this expression and I have all the tones for this sentence. Be careful, because sometimes Google changes some of the tones, because some characters, they have more than one pronunciation. So according to the context, we also need to choose the right pronunciation, the right pinyin, okay? Sometimes some students say to me, okay, this is not working. Why? And that is why I'm focusing on this bar now. Okay, it is very important that you have everything configured right. Okay, so for example, here we need to choose to have a tick here in the first option, pinyin, and also here in this bar, as you can see, if I press here, it changes into N. This is for English. Okay, so for example, if I need to write something in English, I could have the opportunity to write this in English and then go back to Chinese. Okay, so that is the reason. But what is the problem here? Sometimes Google Translator changes automatically because it has detected some non-Chinese character or something that has changed the configuration. So please, if you realize that this is not working and you are not writing Chinese characters, you can check here that we have the character for Zhong, Zhongguo, Zhongwen. Okay, this is the symbol for the Chinese language. So with this explanation, I think you have, in a very easy way, the opportunity to not installing any software, and you don't need to change the configuration of your device. If we are talking about a mobile phone or iPad or computer, but you can write Chinese characters and also you can write the right Chinese tones. Okay, so I hope this is useful to you.